Arrive in style with this 2013 Hyundai Sonata GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, power outlet, wheel covers, passenger airbag sensor, front wheel drive, stability control, and passenger illuminated visor mirror. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.